Okay, good day, everybody. Welcome to the MindCAPITAL business opportunity presentation. Good to see you there, Gordon, there having your dinner. This is absolutely fantastic, showing that we're real and connecting with people all over the world. So my name's Simon Stepsys, live in the UK, being a business owner now for over 30 years. I've been showing people how to make money on the internet now for over 22 years. I was online in 1995 and I was making a full-time income by 1997. I got into many different business opportunities over the years, some good, some bad. The last company I was with, we built an organization that did over $300 million. We created many millionaires with that company. And again, we connected with this company, MindCAPITAL, only 5 months ago. I'm going to be showing you how anybody can make money here. Everybody does, if you follow the very simple instructions that I'm going to go through with you. I'm going to be sharing a little bit about the company, the opportunity, how you make money. There's no investment here. There's nothing to buy, nothing to sell. There's no cost to join and no monthly fees, and yet we've got members who are making anything from $100 a day to in excess of 1,000, 2,000, even 3,000 and more. And the beautiful thing, it is rising. We are on we've had the global pandemic on for the last literally 3 months here in the UK, but it's everywhere all over the world. And we've been in a lockdown, yet our company has absolutely been breaking records. It's absolutely fantastic. And the beautiful thing is, whether you're looking for a passive income or something that you can build a career and make millions of dollars, you can do that here. So again, literally 15, 20 minutes presentation. And then what I'll do, I'll log into my own site and I will show you a site navigation, show you the kind of money that you can make. And then you can make your decision from there. If you're watching this out on the internet in the future, then again, get back to the person who shared it with you. Again, for me, this gets my top recommendation. And I'm going to share that with you right now with my screen share. Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so welcome to the MindCAPITAL presentation, Passion for Cryptocurrency, okay? And MindCAPITAL invites you to take advantage of what we call the crypto and fiat arbitrage, making the most transparent company and opportunity out there. What this company do is they basically use an AI auto trading bot that actually looks on the prices of exchanges at the different cryptocurrencies, and it looks for a profit of 2.5%. When it sees that profit, it'll close it out and it'll give the share of that, 65% of the share, to the members and 35% to the company. It trades also the fiat markets, and the fiat markets, so you're aware, do not trade at weekends. So it's over a 5-day trading week. You don't have to know anything about trading or cryptocurrencies or anything like that, because the company do it all for you. It is absolutely fantastic. It's passive. And the beautiful thing is everyone who's got an account here will make money. That's a fact. And every single day, every single trading day since we've been involved, since the 11th of January the company launched, every single day the bot has produced a profit. Anything from 0.5% to 1.5%, which is paid daily, which is absolutely incredible. I'm sure you'll agree with that. And we'll back that up. I'll log into my account later to show you what that is. So if you look at the cryptocurrency market, again, you don't need to know anything about it. Okay, but the reality is that the market share is trading around about between $200 and $300 billion as of today. But the interesting thing is in the next 10 years, that's expected to actually grow to over $3.6 trillion. So again, if you want to get into a business and you want to get into an opportunity where you can make money, you want to go into a growing market. And Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, it's growing like crazy. You know, if you're getting started today in Bitcoin, you are considered an early adopter, even though most people have heard of Bitcoin. Most people still don't have it. Okay, so let's look at the CEO of MindCAPITAL, Gonzalo Garcia Pelayo, 72 years young. Now, when I first heard about MindCAPITAL, I actually, a good friend of mine, jets out of Australia, he sent me a message on Facebook, said, Simon, I found something solid. Okay, this word stuck with me, solid, exciting, and passive as well, if you just want to be passive with it. Anyway, I basically checked it all out. I looked at the website, which is phenomenal. They've actually improved the website, and the first website was amazing, but it's even better now. And I decided that I needed to go and meet the CEO in Spain, in Madrid, where he lives. I met the corporate team. I interviewed him. Very, very friendly corporate team, very friendly, humble man, but also incredibly successful, very switched on. This guy is an entrepreneur who's won the most in the casinos, okay? He was so successful, they've even made a film about him, okay? And it's available to watch on the front of the website. You can watch that. He won over $250 million in the casinos. I mean, 250 million peseto, over $200 million. It's a huge sum. I mean, how many people do you know who can beat the casinos, never mind win that kind of money? But not only that, he's also produced over 160 music albums, and he's directed over 10 films. One of the films is recognized as one of the top Spanish films of all time, and in the top 1,000 worldwide. So again, he's been interviewed by all the major European magazines, very famous celebrity, and got into starting to learn about crypto and how he could make profit from them back in 2017, and obviously launched MindCAPITAL in January the 11th of 2020 at the event in Madrid in Spain. I was also at that event. 400 leaders there, flew in from mainly obviously are Spanish, but also South American. And again, it really blew my mind, and I decided I want to work this company an opportunity full-time, because I know what it is. It is life-changing. It's something incredibly exciting, and people, you know, like the passive income side of it. So this is the corporate team. You've got his son there, Oscar Garcia Paleo. He lives in Chile, but again, I met him at the event in Madrid in Spain in January. And again, you know, when we get out of lockdown, the company are very transparent. So you can come and meet these, you know, meet the CEO if you want to. Just make an appointment, and there will be many events as we get out of the lockdown, and we can, you know, fly around and do events and things. So at the moment, obviously, we haven't been able to do that, but we've still grown crazy. So we've got also the customer support, which is brilliant there. Javier, Ruben Arcos, very switched on, high-tech guy. Manuel Arnez made millions of dollars, multi-millionaire in the affiliate marketing, network marketing industry. Christine Kelly Lopez, who literally we work with every day, social media director, does a brilliant job. And the creative director there, Alain Giro, again, the graphics, the website, it is absolutely beautiful. It's very easy to navigate, even the back office, I'll show you that after. And they've improved the website, and it was already great when we started. So it's really impressive what the company are doing. Okay, so the company is legally registered in Estonia, and Estonia is known worldwide in cryptocurrency being the most friendly cryptocurrency country in the world. That's the registration code. So if you want to go and check that out, you can do. Many people have already done that because, you know, we understand everybody's skeptical, and you do have to check things out. People, you know, want to make sure it's, you know, a solid and a real opportunity, because in the crypto industry, there's a lot of scams out there. You could be very careful. But we've done our due diligence. You know, this is why I flew to Spain. We were at the event and worked with the corporate team on a daily basis. And again, you know, everything works. It's all on the blockchain. It's live. You're not waiting for withdrawals or anything like that. It's instant. Beautiful, beautiful system they've got here. So again, Gaia is the MindCAPITAL ecosystem. Okay, and this basically allows the company to integrate tools and products to make the company even more profitable, more solid, and more dynamic. And what the company are doing, they're actually bringing out their own exchange. Okay, so again, you know, it shows you that the company are forward thinking and they're moving fast, guys. You know, this company only launched on the 11th of January 2020, and you know, as we're doing this today, 16th of June 2020, that is incredible how they're moving so fast. So again, they've got their own technology. Okay, they've got their own bot that is programmed to read the different exchanges out there. There's thousands of different exchanges out there, and it's looking for a profit. And the beautiful thing is, even if the bot, let's say, it didn't find a profit one day, which every day it has, but you know, just thinking that it might not find a profit, again, it doesn't lose, because it's not like high risk forex trading where you're actually really making a gamble there. Is the price going to go up? Is it going to go down? And the thing is with forex trading, which this is not, It's very high risk in reality. 90% of traders generally lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. Now remember here, we're winning every day. Every single day, the bot has produced a profit. And like I mentioned before, anything from 0.5% to 1.5% daily, that is staggering, guys. I mean, you know, go and ask your bank account or your accountant, and you know, they'll tell you the same thing. Absolutely fantastic, guys. And again, we're in crypto. It's exciting. It's early days. Early adopters always make the most money here. Okay, so again, profitability is the priority. And again, obviously it's all programmed in, the algorithms are all done automatically. They do obviously check it, they work out, they have a system, the corporate team and staff work and make sure that everything working fine. Because remember, this this business, it makes you money even while you sleep, obviously in the trading day week. Okay, so again, you know, when you're sleeping, yeah, the bot is working for you, looking for the profits, and as soon as it finds it, pays out, the next day you get the profits. Absolutely amazing. Okay, so again, what is arbitrage? Again, looking for the different prices on the exchange. Again, obviously it's very low or zero risk, because again, it's not taking a bet on, you know, is the price going to go up or down? That's the beautiful thing here. So it's studying the markets, looking for opportunities, closing them profits out, and then giving us a share of that. 65% goes to the affiliates, and the company are doing very well. They keep 35% as well. So everybody's happy, win-win situation. So just an example, just to have a better understanding how it works. You've got the bot there working for you, literally even while you sleep. You've got the different exchanges, and it's basically, you know, they're looking, it's reading the markets, and it's producing the profits. That's the bottom line. And just an example, you've got an exchange here at one price, another one here, okay, and then what they're doing here, you see on this example here, it's produced a $202 profit. It'll close that out. We get 65% of that, and the company get 35%. Okay, so again, this is something new that they launched, the MindCAPITAL coin, and this is only available within MindCAPITAL. It's not available on any external exchange. And they brought this coin out to protect the company. Very, very smart thinking, because the governments out there were looking at closing literally the stable coins in cryptocurrency. And obviously they can't do that with MindCAPITAL because they're internal. Okay, so it's protecting against that. And one MindCAPITAL coin is equivalent to $1 US. So when I log into my members area, you'll see how it all works. It converts immediately when you do a withdrawal to Bitcoin. We get paid in, we pay in with Bitcoin and we pay out in Bitcoin, just so you're aware of that, okay? And if you haven't got Bitcoin, again, get back to the person who shared this with you. Very easy to get Bitcoin. You can buy it fast. And then what you're doing, so you're aware, is it's not costing you any Bitcoin, because you're just using that Bitcoin with MindCAPITAL power to produce more for you. That's the bottom line, okay? So an example of a chart here, of a real chart of showing the profits. They did have a pre-launch stage. They did a pre-launch from the end of September and make sure everything's working fine, and then the official launch on the 11th. And you can see the different, the different percentages they're getting there, okay? Okay, so the company do also have the power of compounding. Your account is automatically set to compound. And Einstein said the most powerful way to make money ever is with compounding. And I can assure you, this is definitely something that you want to just leave and let the compounding work for you. In other words, the bot makes you, if it makes you $100 profit in one day, it'll then use that $100 to add to your capital, so it then makes even more the next day. If it produces whatever, 0.5%, 1%, again, that profit that day, it'll use, and it can compound this all the way up to the maximum account that you can have for trading is $100,000. $40 is the lowest, okay? So again, that is not a cost. Okay, so here's a chart. This is an example. It's live, it's on the blockchain, it updates every few seconds. The company also do technical Zoom calls, logging into the actual their own trading accounts and showing you the live trades with the hash IDs, and they're showing you the how it all literally ties in. And they do this every month. They record them all. They're all on the YouTube channel. If you go front of MindCAPITAL website, scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the YouTube channel there, and all the official social media sites. to check it all out. So this is what, again, I love about this company: transparency. Okay. And no other company that I've been with in crypto since 2017, has ever shown and given this much transparency. So again, you can see there, $40 in Minecoin, okay, which $40 in real value. That is not a cost, just so you're aware. That's the minimum, okay? Remember, it's trading, okay? So it needs some capital to trade. So that's the minimum that you would have. So you still own that $40, or the maximum is 100,000, just so you're aware of that. And it used to be $100 to get started, or $100 for capital. So they reduced that. So again, people struggling out there, different countries that are really struggle to get even $100, $40 now. That's all it is. So if you want to, even if you've got the capital and you just want to tread the water, you want to dip your toe in and test it out, you can test it out for $40. It's incredible. So some of the advantages of MindCAPITAL, okay, so they've got their own technology, they've got their own bar. Obviously the corporate team have gone with that through you. They've got a very successful entrepreneur and CEO in Gonzalo there. They basically, it's transparent, so it's showing you all the real trades. It does the live trading every month. I mean, what more can you want? You've got instant withdrawals 7 days per week. That's absolutely fantastic. The minimum withdrawal is $50 US, just so you're aware of that. And it's an opportunity, if you just want to be totally passive, put literally a couple of grand in or a couple of hundred and just let it make money for you every day, happy days. If you want a business opportunity and make a career out of this and make millions of dollars, then this is also available for you. So again, isn't that fantastic? And remember, this doesn't cost anything to join, no monthly fees. And again, it's making serious money, ladies and gentlemen. It really is. It's phenomenal. Okay, so how do you participate in MindCAPITAL? Very, very simple, okay? You get back to the person who shared this incredible opportunity with you, and you'll be thanking them. You will. I thank my sponsor every day. Thank you so much, Jets. Okay, you make obviously a minimum contribution in Bitcoin of $40, or up to 100,000 is the maximum. You decide what you want to start with. I started with 5,000, then loaded up the full 100,000 very quickly. And then basically, once it goes in, once it's in your account, the company then, okay, will load it into the bot, and then you've got to give it a full 24 hours before the bot starts to show a profit, okay? And then basically you'll start earning the profits daily, okay? You have the opportunity to share it with others. You'll get your own unique link, and if they decide to join and make a purchase and the bot makes a profit, then you'll make a profit of that. And I'll go through that in the next slides in a little while. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So how do you make a deposit? Again, it's in Bitcoin. So if you haven't got Bitcoin, again, get back to the person. They'll help you get started. Okay, this is an example of it. I will log in later. You literally type, there's a scroll bar there, and it's just here. You decide what you want to do. It'll give you a Bitcoin address. You send your Bitcoin there, and that's it. Let the company do everything else for you. That is it. Okay, so again, this is the beautiful thing, okay? This is live on the blockchain. So your profits, you can withdraw these 7 days per week. So if it's Sunday night at, in the middle of the night and you wanted to withdraw your, the profits that the bot's made for you, you can do that, and within seconds, it's in your cryptocurrency wallet. That is the beautiful thing. There's nobody on the other side saying, all right, okay, we're allowing you to withdraw once a day or once a month or once a week. No, any time that you wish. That is the beautiful thing. It's all live on the blockchain. Okay, just so you're aware of that. Okay, yeah, just one other thing also is your capital that you start with, okay, that is actually in the system for 90 days. Okay, after 90 days, if you want to get your capital out, you can. Okay, and I can share this with you. Okay, on average, 97%. I record everything just so you're aware on my daily diary. 97% on average of the people will leave the capital in after 90 days. Only 3% on, this is what it's working out on my account, actually withdraw the capital. Remember, because if you withdraw your capital, you've got nothing to trade. You won't be making any income. And I can assure you, it doesn't matter how much money you've got out there. You can have millions, okay, millionaires, they want income. Everybody wants income, no matter how much money you've got, okay? Just so you're aware of that. And passive income as well. Okay, so how do you feel about, what we've shared with you today? I mean, you've got a global business, you can make passive income, there's no cost to get started. You've got the advantage of the affiliate network marketing side of the business and career opportunities, the potential of making millions of dollars here, or or just $100 a day, whatever you want. And the advantages of residual passive income. That's what you have in your hands here. So again, MindCAPITAL also have the referral program, like all businesses out there, like Amazon. Okay, they have an affiliate program, and the affiliate program pays incredible amounts. It is very, very exciting. It's passive income as well. And again, you earn team volumes through 10 different levels. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to go through this and share this with you, how this works. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. Very, very simple, what we call a uni-level plan. Okay, it's no complex binary or anything like this. You can literally, you can refer as many people as you want, literally. It can, you know, just a few people, 500 people, 1,000 people, okay? And then this is what happens, okay? You, from there, obviously, what we call contribution. Once that contribution starts to make a profit, you'll get an override of this. So I'll give you an example of how this works. So you must start with at least $40 if you want to benefit from this compensation plan. Okay, $40. Remember, no cost. You still own that $40. You're just going to put it in the system so it makes money for you. Okay, and this allows you to earn down 2 levels. Okay, in the compensation plan. So you refer this business to somebody who starts with $100,000, let's say, to keep it nice and round figures, okay? And the bot makes 1% profit in that day. Okay, the person you referred is on your first level. They will have made 1% of 100,000. They've made $1,000 in that day, okay? Now, because you referred them, you're gonna make 8% of that $1,000. In other words, $80, okay? And that is just off one person, one referral, and you don't get it just once. Ladies and gentlemen, you get it every day. That is the beautiful thing. So think about that. Would $80 already a day make a difference to most people out there? Of course it would. I mean, I know it's, you know, it's not a fortune, you're not making millions at that, but remember, you've just got one referral. I've got 3 who have got at least 100,000, and that's what I know of, to give you an example, okay? So again, if that person goes out there then and shares it, and they do the same, okay, yes, they'll earn the $80 from the profit, but because they're on your second level, you probably might not even know this person. You've made $40, but you don't get it once, you get it every day. So all of a sudden, you're making $140 a day, plus your own capital on trade, you remember, okay? Okay, if you want to earn down the further levels, you need to have a front level combined contribution of 5,000. Or a team volume of 10,000. And this allows you to earn down levels 3 and 4, and you'll earn 3% on them levels. Then we have the senior advisor level, 15,000 of a combined first level contribution. Okay, so you might only contribute $100, but if your front level team have combined 15,000, you can earn down to level 6, and you can see level 5 and 6, you're earning a further 2% on these levels. Okay, or a team volume of 40,000, you've got the leader advisor 50,000 on your front levels, 160,000 allows you to earn down to 8 levels, and then a global advisor. I think there's around about 200 global advisors. You basically need to have a frontline team of contributions of 100,000 or 650,000 in the team volume. You're earning the full 10 levels there, and that is a pretty mind-blowing compensation plan. And I will log into my account just after we've done these slides, okay? So the company also recently announced the Ambassadors Club, okay? There were 6 ambassadors when they just announced it, and to reach ambassador level, you need to have 4 million in total volume, okay? And it allows you to earn the full 10 levels. The company do ask you not to promote any other network marketing companies, because you are going to get a profit share of the whole company's profits each month. It's going to be shared between the ambassadors. The 6 out there, I actually reached this level of 4 million volume last week, okay? So we did that last week, and we did that in 98 days from starting, okay? So again, I think that's the fastest actually, so because I think the other guys were in at the pre-launch as well, where we weren't. Okay, so that's the Ambassador Club, absolutely fantastic. So again, you know, this is the kind of lifestyle that you can have when you're making passive residual income. You know, you can travel world. You know, the company are going to have incentive holidays, they're going to have events, celebration events. This is all to come for the future. And again, you've got the opportunity to help people. And, you know, especially this time, you know, the world's struggling, incomes have gone down, millions of people are losing their jobs and more. There's going to be a global recession. It's coming, guys. You know, it's not going to be a very happy thing out there for a lot of people out there. So a lot of people out there are struggling. They're worried about the future. And the great thing is they don't have to be. If you share, you know, life's a share, and I've always said it. And if you share this opportunity, you'll get a kickback from that as well. So it really pays you to share. And why wouldn't you share an opportunity that's like this? Because it's real. That's what we've got here. So again, you can follow the company, go to the main website, mind.capital, scroll right to the bottom, you'll see the Facebook page there. You can see the Instagram account there, and also they've got the Telegram groups in Spanish and also in English as well, and then also the YouTube channel as well, and you can see all the videos on there. They put videos on there virtually every day, multiple videos. They're in different languages, even the site's in many different languages as well. So again, it's absolutely fantastic what the company are doing here. So that's it. MindCAPITAL, passion for crypto. We're waiting for you. So what I'm going to do now, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to basically log into my account, okay, and just give you a quick 5-minute navigation, okay, and we can show you how it all works, okay, in real time. Okay, so let's have a quick look. Okay, so let's have a log in again. Okay, so just logging into my account, and okay, there we are. Okay, so here's my account. You can see my current balance, over $14,500 here. Okay, we can withdraw that again, literally within a few seconds in our own account. My purchases here, which is the maximum, which is 100,000, and again, it just makes sense to have the maximum or build up to the maximum because you will be making more money. Okay, that is a fact. To make a new purchase, I've actually made the maximum, but the previous on the slides I did show you how you just do a little scroll bar and then you put your Bitcoin address. You send it to that Bitcoin address and then it will come into your account. The company do everything once it's in your account. It is really, really that simple. Okay, you want to refer the business to others, and again, it's very rewarding to do so. This is my own link because this is my site. You will have your own unique URL. You just share that with your contacts, your friends, etc. Okay, they make a purchase and the bot makes a profit from that purchase each day. You're making passive residual income. And again, if you start to build teams and they start sharing it, literally within, you know, a few months, you can be accessing these lower levels. You can be earning thousands of dollars. You really can. And you can be doing that weekly, daily, monthly. It really is up to you. That's the beautiful thing about home business. You know, there's no limits on what you can do. That's the beautiful thing. Okay. So basically, if we head over to just also withdraw funds, I'm just going to show you that. Okay, so again, you withdraw in Bitcoin. So again, you put your own Bitcoin wallet in here. You can withdraw up to $10,000 a day. Your 2FA code. Don't worry if you don't understand that. The person who helped me through that will help you through that. So easy to do, and literally within seconds, it's in your wallet, your own crypto wallet. Okay, so again, Operation Analyzer. Now, if you can see this will update every few seconds, and this is where it's connected live on the blockchain. You can see it just moving and dropping down. The bot is reading the market, looking for profits. It's doing this literally, 5 days per week, even while you're sleeping, okay? And that is what we call automated intelligence, okay? AI intelligence, okay? It's doing it all passively. That's the fantastic thing. When it sees that profit of 2.5%, boom, closed out within seconds, milliseconds, in fact, and we get a share of that. Okay, so we click here on the operations performed, and you can see even actually does show you and tell you the exchanges that are on. So Binance, Bitfinex here, it's showing you down here. Okay, the Liquid is another one there. Okay, you can see that there and what it's doing there, which is brilliant. If you can keep yourself muted, that would be great. Thank you, sir. Okay, so this is again, you can see there. What a fantastic opportunity. We click on the referral side. Again, you know, you want to basically, you know, it's a very good opportunity to share this with business, with people out there all over the world are looking for opportunities like this. And again, you can see the first level here. I've referred 551 people. Yes, I have got a lot of experience, but I teach this experience. We do free training. I do training every week also. So again, 167 have made purchases of over $206,000 now. And then you can see the commissions there, okay? That's the beautiful thing. Now, if you want to look at the lower level, over $250,000. If you can keep muted, that would be great. Thank you very much. Okay. Again, we're over $250,000 on this level, over 650,000 on level 4. You won't know these people on these lower levels. I mean, look how many there is. I mean, there's over 4,000 here. We've been in this literally 102 days. I mean, you know, literally think about where we're going to be in the next 90 days. Okay, these will be in the millions. Okay, again, this here we're over 764,000, over $750,000 on level 6. Okay, on level 6 you're earning 2%. Okay, you can see that on here. It shows you the percentages. So level 6 we're getting 2% of that. And remember, this trading account here is now over $4,128,000. Okay, and this is traded every single working day. So think about that. This is where the money that you will make, you will struggle to get sleep if you're not used to making big money. Okay, and again, it becomes literally, it's very addictive. I will warn you with that. Waking up in the morning, you're checking your account, you've got a big smile on your face because your account level balance has just gone up. Again, the team, you know, you can check your account, you know, before you go to bed at night, and you'll see as the account is working and great. And you can do the maths of this. If you compound just $4 million, okay, the compounding feature of that, that's over $20,000 per day going in just from the compounding alone, with then nobody else joins. And that's the beautiful thing. If nobody joins this business, you still make money. That is absolutely fantastic. So, ladies and gentlemen, just wanted to share that opportunity with you. Again, I would just say thank you for attending and watching this. If you're watching this out on the internet, again, get back to the person who shared this opportunity with you. Take a